Shalom, parlok nong sngam mentangin walam sepi ki kubor kerpang ki bayade bat COVID-19. Menteri Rambak Du Narendra Modi ula ajeng yero iki doktor, yeki nos, yeki nong tre ketenat kakot kakya, lambat iki wede ki bedan benta hak Ayushman Bharat. Haki babun sin pak kubor nang baka Twitter negasngi Modi ula ong balengba ki jing sakri ki bakila ai kala penla ya ka Ayushman Bharat bakan long ke program ai jing sumar ka bahe tam hak perthei. Bat kala yok ru ya ke jing syania jong bun ba ki pat nong India kam tam kitu ki baduna ka yok kokon. Menteri Rambak Du ulong ba iwe pi iwe ni kinong India ki deben song sarong ha ka ba ka jing don jong kinong yok mentoy na ka ni ka skim kila palat ya ka shiklur ngot tang hapo asnem. Bat la ai kublei ru ya baro kinong yok mentoy bat ikilong ying ki jong ki lem bat ki jing duai bakin yok e ka met ka phat ka bakot ka khia. Katenat kakot kekhiat jong sarkar India kalau ong ba sau puar hajar arspa kandai prangut gibriu gibala yo ye kejing pang COVID-19 kila kot. Kabala kentiu ya kejing ken kelum sya kalai kandai point riu na ka chispa akari. Hakini hi arpusa kunta ki balala ki nong pang ki bala kot ki long lai hajar shispa arpusa ngun. Bat kibriu ki bala yok pang thamai ki don san hajar riu spa khat wingut kabala kentiu ki jing don jong kibriu ki bayok pang COVID-19 hakari syaka silak riu hajar nyu spa san pongut. Bat da ka jing yap jong ki shispa sa pongut ki nong pang COVID-19 hakini ki arpusa kunta balala ka jing ken ki bala yap hakari nakani ki jing pang kalong lai hajar lai spa langut. Kum kasin jam banyarap iki doktor bat ikiwe di kinong sumar kinong pang COVID-19 banyada na kajing ye bit yuni kunyang jingpang uwe unong hikai na ka school ba Tripura University ulasna ye Robert na ka tiar kentat da ka bapendan kami kijing start science. Boon long utiar ubala banlek ai kijing bam bat ikidawai sa kinong pang COVID-19. Laitu ki kubor sarkar. Yung ni Robert ubala tip kum COVID-19 warbot la sandur bala shenada Dr. Harjit Nath ubalang assistant professor jong katnat chemical and polymer engineering jong school ba Tripura University ha ka ba ula pentri kam ya ha ka bala pentri kam ni ulang ba u transmitter but u receiver ya ki bala say na ki kali le ka jong ki khna uni warbot ula Tri kam kendai 4 minit lenter habala charge dap pura ya u. Ulang umar ubaduna dor ya ubala shna na ki tiar ki bala kentat na ki laboratory bat u Dr. Nath ula penlot arpusan hajar tengka ban shna ya uni warbot. Ha Manipur ki pulit kila kem bat set along ya san spa arpo ingut gibriu ki bapen khenyi ki kendon adong joko curfew baka lockdown ha kajela na ong u he officer joko Manipur ki pulit kila bat ru ya south spa lai pun teli ki kali ki bapen khenyi ki kendon adong joko lockdown baka curfew la ong u additional director general joko tanat pulit law and order u el kailun ha kajing pelak khobor ye ki bring bela sakem la wanra eki khmat jogi majestor ki belangat ha ka jing sa siu kuna nriu pusan hajar nriu spa tengka la ong su EGP uni we pulet ula ong ba katnat pulet kandang yai beteng ban pensitam kat kum ki kendon an ye ki nong pen khen ye ki kendon ka lockdown ba ka curfew hapok ka National Disaster Management Act arajar san Karel ke Bakerpang na Hyderabad kelawan kit ye ki spangut kinong Manipur ki bela sakut sabar ka jela Bat kalapoi Hajiribam Railway Station nekasngi laitu ki kubor sarkar. Kini kibriu ki belawan pai selaka jela kila le eka screening Hajiribam Railway Station. Bat ken hap ban song swa haki quarantine center ki belapan kre eki snong ki thau hapok ka jela na ka bantak hat sausngi. Hadian bakila pendep iki kendon ki badan kambaro ye kini kibriu la pen ket no de ki bus ki belapan kre ra sarkar jela ki ban lek on ye ki seki district baki song kisa. Ha Tripura sa sangut gibriu kila yo coronavirus hadien bala tes penti kena bat kala kentiu mentai ya kejing don gibriu ki bala yo ya kani kejing pang syaka sispa nyu pulai ngut ha kejela Tripura ki kubor sarkar ki thu bana ki praspa sanpautli ki sampel ki bala phak tes na ka bentau COVID-19 ha kasi baar ya sangut naki ki balong gibriu ki badang wan pai ha kala si ublei na Chennai da ka rel ceramic special kila long positive Kat haduk mentah ha Tripura sispa khandri ngut kinong pang COVID-19 kila yok mi niki hospital bat niki COVID care center. Ti parlok nong sengap pila yok sengomentani ki kubor ki Bakerpang ha ka bede bo COVID-19 ya ka bala walam sepi da ka regional news unit jong All India Radio Shalom.
This is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you special roundup on COVID-19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appreciated doctors, nurses, healthcare workers and all other associated with Ayushman Bharat in a series of tweets today. He said their efforts have made it largest healthcare program in the world. Modi said this initiative has won the trust of several Indians, especially the poor and downtrodden. He said it would make every Indian proud that the number of Ayushman Bharat beneficiaries has crossed 1 crore and in less than 2 years. This initiative has had a positive impact on so many lives. Prime Minister congratulated all the beneficiaries and the families and prayed for the good health. Health and Family Welfare Ministry said that a total of 42,298 patients have cured from the coronavirus and the recovery rate reached to 39.62% in the country. During the last 24 hours, 3,124 patients have recovered and 5,611 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been reported, taking the total number of cases to 1,60,750, and a total of 140 deaths have been registered in the last 24 hours, taking the nationwide totals to 3,303. In Tripura, 4 more persons tested positive for the novel coronavirus. With that, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state reached 173, officials said. Out of 850 samples tested for COVID-19 on Tuesday, test samples for 4 persons who have returned from Chennai on the Shramik special train on Monday were found positive. So far in the state, 116 patients have been discharged from hospitals and COVID care centers. A special train from Hyderabad carrying hundreds of stranded Manipuris arrived in Jiribam railway station, an official said today. The returnees were screened at the Jiribam railway station. They will have to remain at institutional or community quarantine centers in the respective district for 14 days, the official said. After undergoing necessary medical screening, the returnees boarded buses arranged by the state government for the respective districts. In a bid to prevent doctors and other medical staff from getting infected with coronavirus, a teacher of the Tripura University has made a robot from scrap materials that can deliver food and medicines to COVID-19 patients, an official said. The COVID-19 warbot, developed by Dr. Harjit Nath, an assistant professor of the Chemical and Polymer Engineering Department of the university, is regulated by a transmitter and a receiver taken out of a toy car and can work for 90 minutes on full charge. It is a low-cost robot which was made from waste material in laboratory. He also took help from a worker of a local hardware factory and it was built within a week. He spent only rupees 25,000 to manufacture it, Nath said. The Manipur police obtained 521 people for violating curfew and lockdown norms in the state, a senior officer said. The police also seized 436 vehicles for violating the lockdown and curfew norms. Additional Director General of Police Law and Order L. Kailun said in a statement the detained people were produced before magistrates. The magistrate imposed a fine of 65,600 rupees on them, said ADGP. The ADGP said police will continue to take legal actions against curfew and lockdown violators under the National Disaster Management Act 2005. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the